Hello students, in this module we'll be studying about the chromosomal disorders and they are the chromosomal disorders students on the other hand they are caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes and failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of a chromosomes that is called aneuploidy. Now students, we all know these things that during cell division cycle there are chromatids that separate. Now if failure happens, they do not separate, fine, so that condition is said to be aneuploidy. For example, Down syndrome results in the gain of extra copy of chromosome, that is 21. Similarly, Turner syndrome results due to loss of an X chromosome in human female. There is one more important term, that is polyploidy. What is that? Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division that results in an increase in a whole set of chromosomes in an organism, and this phenomena is said to be polyploidy. Now students, we all know this thing that the total number of chromosomes see, the total number of chromosomes in a normal human cell is 46, right? It is 46, that is 23 pairs. That is 23 pairs, right? Now, out of these 22 are autosomes. 22 are autosomes, fine, and one pair of chromosome they are sex chromosome, right? They are sex chromosomes. Sometimes, though rarely, either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included in an individual or an individual may lack one of any pair of chromosome. So these situations are known as trisomy or monosomy of a chromosomes. I hope I am clear, students. Now we'll be studying about the various consequences in the individual. Like we have Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. They are the common example of chromosomal disorders. See here now. Testing for Down syndrome during pregnancy. Now, first of all, we should know, students, that what exactly the Down syndrome is, right? See here now. The cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an additional copy of the chromosome number 21. So there what happens? Trisomy of 21. And this disorder was first described by Langdon Down in the year 1866. The affected individual is short-statured with small round head, furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. Palm is broad with characteristic palm crease and physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. Fine. And students, how can we detect that if somebody is suffering from Down syndrome or not? So amniocentesis is used to detect the possible abnormalities in the unborn children. Fine. You can see here the children may have delayed mental and social development. Fine. They may show slow learning, poor judgment. They may have a short attention span, or they may show the impulsive behavior. Now, second we have is the Klinefelter syndrome, and this genetic disorder is also due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, resulting into a karyotype of 47. So, there is a presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, students. It means it is, see, I am going to show you with the help of see, look here, students. There is an extra copy here. I'm talking about Klinefelter syndrome. So there is an extra X chromosome over here. Fine. It means it becomes 47. Right. Total 47 chromosomes are there. And the condition that represents is X, X and Y. This is the condition in case of Klinefelter one. Fine. Klinefelter syndrome. In this syndrome, this exactly happens, the 47. And such an individual has overall masculine development, students. However, the feminine development, that is development of breast, is also expressed, and such individuals are sterile. Fine. They are sterile. Now, individuals with Klinefelter's syndrome they have at least two X chromosome and at least one Y chromosome. So that is why you can see here the situation is represented with the help of an X, X and Y condition. Fine. Now students, because of the extra chromosome, individuals with the condition, they are usually referred to as 47XXY, that is equals to XXY males. Fine. What is the cause, students? Cause is the extra X chromosomes is retained because of a non-disjunction event during meiosis 1, that is gametogenesis, or meiosis 2 in female. So because of this reason, this is the cause, basically how this Klinefelter syndrome exactly happens. Fine. These are some of the symptoms, students, like weak bones, decreased facial and body hair, enlarged breast tissue, decreased sex drive or sexual problems. Fine. In men, it may lead to infertility, taller than average stature. So these are some of the symptoms of this disease. Now coming on to the Turner syndrome, students, such a disorder is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosomes. For example, we have 45. So it is a disorder in which there is an absence of one chromosome. Absence means there it becomes 45. Fine. So one chromosome is not there. So it represents the condition XO type. Fine. Just like this. XO type. Or we can say 0, because it does not represent any chromosome here. And such females, they are sterile, as ovaries are rudimentary besides other features, including lack of other secondary sexual characteristics. Fine. This is what about the Turner syndrome. Fine. You can see here the symptoms that appears in Turner syndrome. Fine. So students, we have done the chromosomal disorders. Fine. I would like to just give you a quick recap of each and everything. See here. See students, we have done the first of all Down syndrome, in which we have studied the trisomy of 21 chromosome. Fine. In Down syndrome. Then students, we have done the Klinefelter syndromes. Fine. In which it becomes XXY, which represent the conditions that there is an additional copy of X chromosomes. So we have total 46, but here becomes 47. Fine. This is the case of Klinefelter. And talking about Turner syndrome, students, here it is the absence of one of the X chromosomes. So total we have 46, and here it becomes X chromosome only, it is present there, and the total number of chromosome will be 45. Fine. Because only one chromosome is there, only one X chromosome is there, the sex one. Fine. This is all about today's discussion, students. I hope the topic is clear to each one of you. Thank you.